Dear students, you all are welcome to my new class. Hope you all are well. I am also fine. And I am Topon Kumar Vishwas, Assistant Headmaster of Kalshira Rajendra Secondary School, Chitalmari, Baghat. Dear students, I have brought today a new class for the students of class 8 on English first paper. Dear students, open at page 31. It's Unit 3, Lesson 8, and the name of the topic is making a class committee. Its Bengali meaning একটা ক্লাস শ্রেণীর কমিটি গঠন. Dear students, we have got some keywords here. First word, forum. I have written you for here with their meanings and synonyms. Forum means committee, but in Bengali committee, and its synonym is committee. Okay. Now the next word, fortnightly. Its Bengali meaning is pakhi, and it is happening every 2 weeks. Something happening every 2 weeks. Okay, dear students. Now we have got two pictures here in activity 1, activity A. Dear students, here look at the pictures and you will have to ask and answer question. Here are 4 questions here. You will have to answer to them. Okay. Now question number 1. What do you see in the picture? I have written here the correct answer here. Question number 1. What do you see in the picture? Its answer is, in the picture I can see some students are cleaning the school. Now the second one. What are the students doing in picture 1? Students, the answer is, in picture 1 I can see some students are cleaning in the inside of the classroom. Okay. Now the third one. What are they doing in picture number 2? In picture number 2 they are cleaning the outside the classroom. Okay. Now the last question. Do you do these things at home? If you don't, who does? With the students, the answer is no. I don't do these at home. If you do, you will not to answer the next question. Okay. Here is a question, another question here with the main question. So I have answered no. Okay. No, I don't do this at home. And the next answer is, my parents always do this. Okay, dear students. Now we will move on to activity B. Read the passage and answer the following questions. You will have to read a passage here, and some questions are there. Okay, you will have to answer to these questions from taking the information from the passage. Now I am reading the passage for you. Ms. Subarna Saha, the class teacher, has just entered the classroom. She is now talking to the students. Why is the classroom so dirty? Asks Ms. Saha. I know the school cleaner is absent today. So hot. Can't we ourselves keep our classroom clean? Says Ms. Saha. Sorry, teacher Shafiq, the class captain says politely. This is our classroom. If we clean it, we will do physical work and feel good. Also, it is our responsibility to keep it clean and tidy, says Ms. Saha. Okay, teacher, says Shafiq. We will do it from now on. First, you can make a forum and select a leader, the class teacher suggests. Then, divide the cleaning activities among different groups. It's really a great idea, teacher, says Shafiq. Well, make the committee Now start working immediately. After this, a committee is formed by class 8 students under the leadership of their class captain. The students are divided into several groups and a work plan is made for cleaning. The students decided to make some ground rules. Here is a list of some of the rules. Here are some rules here for the students, which will be followed by the students. Do not spit in the class. Do not drop litter in the class. Use the bin for trash. Keep the desk and chairs in place. Okay. All the students of the class 8 are very excited to be involved in this activity at school. So dear students, I have finished reading the text. Now activity C. Choose the best answer. You will have to answer these questions taking information from the passage, and there are some alternatives which will be the correct answer. You will choose these or that on. Okay. Miss Suvarna Saha is a physical education teacher? No. An English teacher? No. A class teacher? Yes. So the correct answer will be a class teacher. Here I have written Suvarna Saha is a class teacher. Now the second question. The class teacher suggested the students to make a forum to keep their classroom clean. Here the next one, to participate in social activities to keep the school environment clean. Yes, it's the correct answer, to keep the school environment clean. Okay. Now the last question. The students are happy to be able to become the members of the committee. Okay, dear students, I hope you have got the points. We have come to the end of the class. Now, I would like to suggest you to stay home, and if you are to go out, you must use mask, use sanitizer, and maintain social distancing there. Okay, see you in our next class. Till then, goodbye.